Hello everyone and welcome back to Rice and Spray Booth. And as you guys can see, on the car door here, rusting has started. The paint has bubbled up kind of. Now this has happened in many spots, as you guys can see. Like this, if rust starts to come on your car door, then it is not a good sign, guys. Now there can be two reasons why this can be happening. First reason is your car door must have started to rust from the inside, and the second thing can be when you are driving your car on the highway for too long or most of the time, then on the road, guys, there are tiny rocks, very small stones that get caught up in your tires. And now because those tires are rotating fast, those rocks are thrown on your car body, which chip off the paint because they fall at very high speed. Once the paint is chipped off, the metal is exposed, and when that exposed metal comes in contact with water or moisture, it starts to rust. So that is the another thing that can happen. So we'll check out what happened here. Then if you come near this handle, then you will notice that in the corner of this handle, here also paint has started to come out. Here also rusting is kind of starting. This is my brother's car. So before the rainy season starts, he wants me to make everything proper. Now I don't have that much time to do it, but I will try to make it proper. Then as you guys can see on the bumper, paint has chipped off from the bumper as well. As you guys can see, he had banged his car from behind. There are some scratches on the bumper as well, but I will not be painting the entire bumper. I will be only doing spot repair here everywhere. And if you come near the other side door, then this side door also in the corner rusting has started, as you guys can see. Now if this type of things happen on your car, then you should do the protection first only, otherwise this rust can spread on the entire door and then the repairs are going to cost you more, guys. So guys, the first thing that I will do is I will take out the door handles. So here I have taken out the door handles wherever I will be doing the rust repair, and as you guys can see what is the state of the car body after removing the door handles. So I will have to make this proper now. Then guys, on the door where the rusting has started, I have taken out the back panel just to check from inside what is the condition of it, because there is no point in repairing on the outside if the inside has rusted and gone completely. So here I have taken out the panel, and the moment I put the light inside of it, then the condition inside was not that bad. But there are two drains for this door, guys. If those drains get blocked, then all the water will stay inside of the door. That is the reason why it can start to rush from inside. So I will clean the drain as well, guys. So as I was checking, I saw another thing here, guys, and that is this flooring light. Now the flooring light had rust residues on it, so I checked underneath the door, and what I saw here, guys, was very disturbing. Wherever there is flooring light, that part of the door has started to rust, as you guys can see. So if you guys have put this flooring light on your car, then take it out as soon as possible, because this light is going to ruin your entire door. And these are the two drains that I was telling you, guys. If these drains get blocked, then water stays inside of the door and then rust start to come. So guys, if you have put a flooring light on your Ford Figo Aspire like this, then see that you comment below and let me know. And if you have this light on your car, then please check your door. So the moment I took the panel out, then I saw another part here on which the panel sits. This part also has rusted so much, as you guys can see. So on this also I will apply some paint so that the rust will not spread. Why they put this type of parts on the car, I don't know, guys. That rust so easily. Now how to take out these door handles, the door panels, I have already made a detailed video on that on my Rice Fix channel. If you guys want to take this out, then you can go and check out all those videos. So here I will take a sandpaper and I will start to do the sanding process. First, wherever it has rusted, I will make use of a sandpaper and I will take out all that rust. Now it was tough to take out with a sandpaper, so I will take a chisel like this and I will take it out properly. You should not leave any rust here. If you keep some rust here, then the rust will again start to spread and again your paint will get damaged. So take a chisel and scrape all the rust out. Here I am going to do spot repair. So how to blend the paint, that also I will show you guys. I will not do it in detail, but let's see how it turns out. Now my brother wanted me to just use a paintbrush and do a touch up and cover the spots, but then I decided to do a slightly better job so that I can show you guys as well. So go all around your car, see if there is any paint chipping on your car door, see if any of the spots have started to rust. Because guys, if you don't notice all these things, then suddenly you will come to know that you cannot fix it. Because all these things you can do at home now. How to do it? On that I have already made a detailed course where I teach step by step how to do it. I've put a link of that course in the description below. You can go there and check it out by yourself. You can go there and learn autobody and painting step by step. I've also released the advanced course recently, in which if you guys want early access, then see that you comment below on this video and I will share a code with you with which you can get a heavy discount on that course. But you will have to go on that course, learn and give a honest review. All the links you will get in the description below. So once you are done taking out the rust with a chisel, take a sandpaper and do a thorough sanding. Now I will go near the door handle, and here also the paint is coming out. Here also I will make use of the chisel and I will take out all the loose paint. There is no point in applying the paint just on top of the loose paint, guys. Everything will come out very soon and very easily. So wherever the paint is damaged, you will have to take out all that paint. So wherever it has rusted, I will use the same process. First I will make use of a chisel and take out all the rust. Then I will take a sandpaper and I will do a thorough sanding and I will create the grooves. I will not make use of the chisel on the bumper because that is a plastic part, guys. Just by doing the sanding is enough for that. Now once I am done sanding the door handles part, the surface looks something like this. As you guys can see, it looked like a small paint damage, but just have a look at how much paint has come out, as you guys can see. So this is what happens when rusting occurs. So here I am done sanding all the spots. So now I will mix the body filler. But before I add the hardener to the body filler, you will have to take a wax and grease remover, and wherever you have done the sanding, there you will have to wipe the surface properly like this. Because we don't need any dirt on the surface, guys. We don't need wax, grease, grime or dust on the surface. We want the surface absolutely clean. Otherwise the body filler is not going to stick to the body. So once you are done wiping all the surface, you will have to get your body filler. Take a little bit of amount on the glass like this. Take a little bit amount of hardener and mix both. Now all these things I have already taught you guys. And by now you should be knowing all these things. So once you are done mixing properly, don't waste any of your time. Immediately start to apply the body filler. Because this body filler dries up very fast, and once it dries up, you cannot apply it. Now to apply this body filler is an art in itself. When you are applying it for the first time, it will take you a lot of time. Still it will not come proper, but don't worry about it. It happens with everyone when they just start. But when you do it many times, you will get used to it and then you will start to apply it very easily. It took me also a lot of time to learn this process. I used to waste lots of body filler first because somehow I could not apply the body filler on the car body properly. But I kept on doing it till I got better at it. And now I can almost do it in one shot. Now there are some spots where you cannot apply the body filler with a putty knife, like this spot where we have taken out the door handle. Now in spots like this, you will have to make use of a finger only and apply the body filler like this. It will be slightly up and down, but don't worry about it because anyhow you will be sanding the body filler. But the lesser the up and down, the lesser the sanding you will have to do. But it is a very small surface, so you can apply it with your finger like this. So here I am done applying the body filler. You guys will say that it is slightly up and down, but once I do the sanding, everything will be leveled. Don't worry guys. I will be applying primer also on top of this. Once I apply the primer, you will come to know the condition of the surface. Now under the door also, here I have sanded and applied the body filler. How much it has rusted underneath, you guys had seen that. It had happened on both the front doors. So both the doors I have sanded from underneath and I have applied the body filler. So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you have come on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And if you want to learn Autobody and painting step by step, then go in the description below and there you will find the link of my course. So what I did next, that I will show you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.